Alright, listen, I'm really sorry that I haven't put a video about this car up in a really long time. There's a couple reasons why my video production has slowed down. If you don't want the excuses, fast forward a little bit and we'll get back to the action on the car. But if you're interested in why there hasn't been a video out, I gotta say that YouTube and Google took the steam out of me when they demonetized all my videos until I get a certain amount of subscribers and can generate so many views a month. They stopped giving me the half a penny a video that I used to make. And I thought about that for a long time, and I didn't want to make content for them because they're still putting the ads on my video. Then I realized that I made these videos for me.
And for you.
So, along with that, I took this costume, and along with the paycheck that comes along with it, and so that sort of slowed me down a little bit, and eaten up a lot of my time.
And that 8 to 5 grind working for the man.
What else? Oh, then there was the Mini that got in the way, and I bought a house, and that's taken up a good amount of time too. So, anyway, this car's on the way to being done. I'll shoot another quick video after this one and just give you an idea where we're at. We have 300 miles
In the car, it's all not rosy. So if you're wondering about where the car is next,
video, I'll tell you a little more about it. Anyway, back to the action. Just need to take a little bit more right there. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad.